Ahoy, mateys. Part 3. June 4. I don't know what time it is. I guess I could check. It's probably about 7, maybe. Well, let's see here. It's 6:11 actually, so that's not so bad. But here we are. We're we're having a blast. Don is trying to show Sonia old school tire mounting. Here we go. I'll just be quiet. This one may take a little longer. I'll try not to laugh. Don't worry, you're not in the picture, the tire is.
Huh?
I'm just talking to the camera.
Okay.
Little do they know, they are both on camera. Ha!
This tire looks a little smaller than the other, doesn't it? It is. Look for the back. They ain't gonna hurt it at all. Right. I need some screwdrivers. Another one if you can find it.
It's right there, the orange one.
In the trailer.
You can bend over better than I can.
In the trailer.
What's in the trailer? Oh, alright.
Look there.
For once, Captain Jack Scrapper's being a little quiet.
Okay.
But if you don't have spoons, you can use big screwdrivers and whatever you have.
And I got object right here, so.
Yes, you do. She's got the biggest one.
And this is a girl's job.
It's a girl's job, yes.
No, it's not.
Oh, yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Here, step on that real quick. Step on it.
You got to do it real quick, though.
I never seen no girl do this. I never. Holly.
I've known girls. I've known girls
What
that
about Holly?
she would. And no, she'd probably agree. She'd probably
My
agree.
back's all fucked up too.
She says she can do it, but I have a
That's why
feeling
I'm on
that
disability.
I think she has a feeling. I have the feeling that Holly would probably get some guy to do it. One way or another, I don't know.
I don't pay his ass.
I'm not gonna go there.
You know, I got one of the that muffler right there, the silver thing right there, the muffler.
Just a little dab.
In my Jimmy, it shattered. So I want.
Oh, on your Jimmy, okay.
And it shattered. I paid $200 to get that muffler. I paid Todd and Mikey for the shit for them to put it on.
You know, I hate to say it. I hate to say it, but girls get ripped off when it comes to car mechanics.
I just bought them bigger and they put it on.
Yeah.
I do know some girls that don't get ripped off. Because their dad said, you come out here. And there's a lot of girls, well, okay, I'll refer to my granddaughter. She knows how to do this. She was with me from the time she could freaking walk, doing all kinds of stuff with Grandpa. Or, what does she call me? She called me Grandpa. Grandpa. She knows how to use table saws, and I mean, she was using wrenches and power tools. Like she was using wrenches and power tools from the time she was 6.5 years old. She's 19 now, and she's grateful.
Tiffany don't even know how to do this shit. So they don't know how to do it now.
See, my granddaughter knows more than some of her boyfriends. But I'm still jealous that you went to Pikes Peak and got to drive a freaking Mustang on the racetrack out there.
My birthday present to Marvel.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to do a video about that. Sonia won. What year was that?
It was 2007.
2007. She won a contest with Marlboro. She got to go, all expenses paid, to Pikes Peak, and she drove the Marlboro Mustang on the Pikes and an IROC on the freaking racetrack. Can you believe that? I've never driven a race car. I've built race cars. I've never driven one.
Oh, 2 race cars.
She's driven 2 race cars. Oh my gosh.
Right, no.
Okay.
People don't have that opportunity.
We can wrap this up now because that tire is on the rim.
Yeah.
Needs to be popped up with air. And I don't know if we're going to use my compressor or if they're going to take it to town and use Wesco's air compressor. We'll see. Captain Jack. Captain Jack Scrapper signing off, part 3.
One or Wesco's?
It don't matter.
Fair winds and smiles. May God bless.
Why can't we just do it all right here?